Hello, my name is Frech. Welcome to another incredible release of Ansys Forming. This release offers plenty of new features. I'll walk you through the most exciting ones. After completing your simulation, Ansys Forming 2026 R1 makes documentation a seamless extension of your workflow. With a single action, you can automatically generate a polished project report directly from your simulation data. There is no need to gather screenshots or spend time formatting slides. Reports are created as PowerPoint documents using a predefined template, ensuring every deliverable is consistent, professional, and aligned with your organization standards. This automation reduces manual effort, improves traceability, and strengthens quality assurance across engineering projects. By streamlining report creation, Ansys Forming 2026 R1 saves time, enhances consistency, and lets engineers stay focused on engineering, not documentation. Robustness starts with understanding how your forming simulation reacts to real-world variation. Ansys Forming 2026 R1 makes this easy with an integrated sensitivity analysis workflow. You simply choose the parameters you want to vary and assign their standard deviations. Material properties like R-values, hardening, and yield. Geometrical inputs such as blank, thickness, and orientation. And key process forces including friction and binder force. Ansys Forming sends these variations directly to LSOpt, which runs the full study automatically. No scripting, no manual case handling. When the analysis is complete, you see exactly which parameters have the strongest input on your results. Whether it's material behavior, geometry, or process conditions, the system reveals the true drivers behind variation in forming performance. This insight helps engineers build more stable processes, reduce variability, and improve confidence in virtual tryout and production. Ansys Forming 2026 R1, bringing clarity, robustness, and smarter decision-making to every forming simulation. Ansys Forming 2026 R1 introduces powerful enhancements to solid elements that improve the reliability of complex simulations. Solid element-based forming workflows now benefit from optimized default settings, improving robustness across challenging geometries and material conditions. Engineers can run simulation with greater confidence, knowing the solver is tuned for stable, predictable performance. Ansys Forming 2026 R1 also expands forming limits with support for forming limit diagrams, specifically for solid elements. This gives you clearer insight into failure risks and material response, enabling better decision-making throughout the forming process. These improvements also enhance accuracy, allowing more realistic prediction of material behavior when solid elements are required for high-fidelity simulations. By strengthening robustness, expanding forming limits, and improving predictive accuracy, Ansys Forming 2026 R1 helps manufacturing engineers produce higher quality parts, reduce iteration cycles, and streamline forming development from start to finish. Ansys Forming 2026 R1 introduces a new suite of sketching tools that make curve creation faster and more intuitive. You can draw and edit curves directly in the interface, with dynamic dragging for quick adjustments. Sketch sections can be trimmed instantly, and dimension or constraints can be applied as you work, giving you precise control over the geometry. Sketches can also be created on different planes, making it easy to define curves in the correct orientation. Once complete, sketches can be exported directly as simulation-ready curves, streamlining setup and reducing reliance on external CAD tools. Ansys Forming 2026 R1, faster sketching, more control, and a smoother path to simulation. Thanks for watching. Visit ansys.com or contact your local Ansys expert for more information.